Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best giant things is probably one of the most fascinating topics to explore. From colossal structures to unbelievably large creatures, the world is filled with things that defy our expectations of size. In this video, we're diving deep into the realm of the gigantic, showcasing some of the most impressive examples and exploring the science behind their existence. Get ready to have your mind blown by the sheer scale of it all. Number 5. BAGSMART Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag, Gray, Large. This BAGSMART travel bag offers ample space, measuring 12.6 by 9.1 by 4.3 inches when rolled and 12.6 by 33.5 inches when open. It features 4 separate compartments and a back open pocket, perfect for organizing all your essentials for a 3 to 5 day trip. Inside, you'll find elastic straps to keep bottles upright. The double zipper compartment allows easy access to your items, even when the bag isn't fully open. Transparent sides provide a clear view of the contents. This bag includes a stowaway 360-degree swivel non-slip metal hook for versatile hanging. The two-way zipper closure ensures quick access, and the carry handle doubles as a hanging strap. Made with water-resistant polyester peach skin, this bag is designed to protect your belongings. The well-padded design maintains its shape and offers great protection, with sturdy stitching and heavy-duty material. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's ideal for overnight stays, long journeys, gym showers, and outdoor activities. This bag is your perfect travel companion. What we like. This travel bag offers great organization with multiple compartments and pockets. Its water-resistant design ensures your items stay safe and dry. If you are a frequent traveler who values organization and protection for your toiletries, you should consider this. What people say. It is held up and looks like new. The compartments make sense, bottles stay upright, no spills in my suitcase, and I love that I can hang it on a hook in the bathroom and instantly see all my things without rummaging around. Super convenient, easy carry and enough room for most toiletries and medicines. I just hung it on the door during our cruise and everything remained in order and easy to close when we left. Number 4. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Introducing the Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. It's the perfect gift for kids who love arts and crafts. This kit offers a sensory adventure with cherry-scented slimes. Dive into vibrant slime creations. This kit is designed for girls ages 8 to 12. The tactile experience and delightful scents make it an enchanting choice for creative exploration. With 31 exciting pieces, this kit provides endless opportunities for imaginative play. Encourage your child's creativity with a gift that blends fun and educational value seamlessly. Enjoy easy crafting with the kit's intuitive instructions. It's perfect for those who love hands-on activities. This kit is an engaging gift for kids. Inspire creativity this season with this kit, perfect for birthday or holiday celebrations. It's a thoughtful choice for those seeking memorable gifts for children. What we like. This kit provides a creative and sensory experience with its ice cream-themed slime. It's designed to be user-friendly, making crafting easy and fun. If you have kids who love arts and crafts and enjoy hands-on activities, they will love it. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. Number 3. Benevolence LA Velvet Jewelry Box, Best Gifts. Looking for the ideal gift for that special woman? This compact jewelry box is perfect. It's thoughtfully designed and elegantly packaged, making it a great present for birthdays or any special occasion. Made in the USA from high-quality velvet, this jewelry case feels incredibly soft. It features a secret earring compartment, a built-in mirror, and a stylish gold zipper. It's a truly awesome travel accessory. Tired of tangled jewelry? This travel box keeps everything organized. It has 7 slot rolls, 3 rectangular divisions, and an earring compartment. It's lightweight and compact. Keep your favorite jewelry safe and organized wherever you go. This spacious yet compact organizer holds earrings, rings, necklaces, and bracelets. It easily fits in your luggage or bag. This jewelry box has been featured in Oprah's Favorite Things, The Today Show, Good Morning America, and magazines like Vogue, Allure, and Elle. It's a gift that's been recognized everywhere. It arrives in a Benevolence LA branded box, ready for gifting. Perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any time you need a thoughtful present. It's ready to go right away. What we like. This jewelry box features a luxurious velvet finish and a compact design. It keeps your jewelry organized and prevents tangling. If you are looking for a stylish and practical gift for someone special, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. The product is durable and of high quality. Number 2. Bandai Namco Stranger Things Demogorgon 7-inch vinyl figure. Check out this amazing figure from Bandai Namco. It perfectly captures the terrifying Demogorgon from Stranger Things. This figure is a must-have for any fan. The figure features incredibly detailed skin texture. You can see every scale and ridge, making it look incredibly realistic. It's like the Demogorgon has stepped right out of the Upside Down. This figure has multiple points of articulation, allowing for dynamic posing. You can recreate your favorite scenes from the show. It's perfect for display or play. This figure is recommended for ages 8 and up. It's a great gift for kids and collectors alike. Get yours today and bring the world of Stranger Things to life. This detailed vinyl figure highlights the extraordinary detail of one of the most recognizable monsters in the Upside Down. The figure is a great addition to any collection. Don't miss out on this amazing piece. What we like. This Demogorgon figure showcases extraordinary detail and lifelike skin texture. With multiple points of articulation, it offers dynamic posing options. If you are a fan of Stranger Things and collect figures, you will love it. What people say. The giant things are very well made. The design is very modern and sleek. It works exactly as advertised. Number 1. Avidlove Lace Kimono Robe Babydoll Lingerie. This beautiful robe features delicate lace detailing. It's designed to make you feel elegant and comfortable. The mesh fabric adds a touch of allure. It's soft and breathable, perfect for a relaxing night. This lingerie can be worn as a nightgown or a robe. It's a versatile piece for your wardrobe. The product is available in a wide range of sizes. It ensures a perfect fit for everyone. Looking for a gift? This robe is a great choice. It's a thoughtful present for someone special. What we like. This lace kimono robe offers a delicate and elegant design. The mesh nightgown adds a touch of allure. If you like comfortable and stylish lingerie, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.